next song, me and Danny D, so we co-wrote together, collaborated on. It's called "Be With You Alone." It's a whole vibe as we set go on this journey. I just wanna be with you alone. I just wanna be with you alone. I just wanna be with you alone. When I'm with you, I feel every rush. The thought of you makes me so very lush. You got me in the mood. Take me to the moon now. Love on me. Your touch makes me high. Take me high. Please take me high. Wait for me, don't leave. Wait for me, don't leave. Wait for me, don't leave. Wait for me. I just wanna be with you alone. I just wanna be with